crazy.
I had 5 kills.
I had 4.
I had 8.
Damn.
Wait.
I'm going in. Knocked again. Oh shit. Somebody shake her. There's more outside that are knocked, which means they weren't on the same team. Go finish him, somebody. Trying to heal. Footsteps. They're here behind me. Above you, Falcon. Oh, other people. 2 teams.
Stupid shotgun.
2 teams. New team is here.
Where you at, Martinez?
Oh, I'm out of mats. Alright, just going for the res. See what happens. We got more footsteps coming in, Angel. Oh, shit.
Don't worry.
Oh, I'm out of mats still.
Just stick the res.
Where's the card?
It's on the other side. He didn't land with us was the problem.
Oh. Got footsteps. We're not gonna make it.
Angel, are there more people over there? Is
There's
that all of them?
over here.
Oh, there are footsteps over here, Angel. Alright, yeah. Oh shit!
Yes, sir.
Broke his shields. Running away.
Oh, you went through the garbage can, huh?
Yeah.
Ping him, Martinez, ping him. I got grenades.
It's in this box. I don't know where his teammates are, though, is the problem. Oh. Oh shit, here come his teammates.
Fucking nigga.
We should just teleport out of here. Coming around the left side over here. I need help.
Knocked him.
Shake him.
Now the other guy's coming. Trying to survive.
Got him.
On the bridge. Two of them. Helicopter's fucking me. Oh shit.
How the fuck did he get me? What
There's a big fan over
Falcon, we're in a fight. We need help.
trying to get out.
They're just pushing in like madman. 70. Broke his shield.
Down on the other side of the hill.
I'm gonna die. I died midair. Dude, right here. There's so many people. There's so many grenades. See 2 footsteps. Oh shit. Right here. On the bottom level. Angel.
I like.
You saw that pump? You saw that? Shit, bro.
Did you get them all? That's
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
Can I get a res? Falcon, would you? No, Falcon's not moving. Angel, res me. Oh, they're out. Getting out. Oh, I missed. Shit. Oh, they're cranking.
Wow,
it.
they're building 5 stories, bro.
Oh, they're getting Falcon. They're all over Falcon. Broke his shield. He's white right there. Angel, where are you at? Angel. I don't think there's anybody there. Oh, yeah, there is. White knocked him, Angel. There's this guy. Anybody else shooting? 2 knocks. Where's the third guy? He's going for him. Dead.
Nice.
Wow. We got really nervous when they started rushing us. Looks like they backed up quick. Oh, shit. Drum gun, baby. Rocket coming in. Rocket coming in. Oh, shooting our old build. Oh, we're not in the circle. We gotta move up. It's 4, so 1 dude? 1 enemy?
One enemy left. We can do this, boys.
He shot a rocket though, so we may
He's in the
not.
bush.
Bruh.
Nope. He's just shooting at random shit with his rocket launcher.
Is he really that stupid?
No, he's looking for us.
Where's he at?
He's got a sniper. Oh, maybe it's just a rocket launcher. Just
No,
wait.
bro, I'm gonna rush it.
No, just wait for the circle, Angel. We don't know where we're supposed to be. There's no way this is a bot. Oh my god, the drum gun is so stupid.
Let's go! I got him headshot 70, bro.
Crazy.
That's 5 kills.
Oh, I didn't see how many I
5
had.
kills? I had 4.
I had 8.
Down.
Wait.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.